joining us here on ET Now. I'm Nivedna Prabhu. Today, this Monday looks very different. It is the first day of Navratri, but also it is the first day of the implementation of the GST rate rationalization. In fact, we here at ET Now with our team of reporters across the country have been looking at what every sector is looking like. Whether we're talking about the national capital, Noida, Mumbai, or even Chennai for that matter, lots in store for you as to what that's looking like. But let's begin with the national capital. It has a different mood today. In fact, let me go straight across to my colleague Sameer Dixit, who joins me today while we discuss the Great Savings Festival for consumers. Sameer, what we've definitely been observing the whole day. First of all, very good evening to you. You are reporting from Lajpat Nagar, and we know what kind of a market and mood this generally has. But look at what we've looked at here with the policy push that the government has had. There are two aspects of this, Sameer. One, of course, is letting the common man purchase whatever they want, but more importantly, it's that affordability, the opportunity to be putting a lot of money into their hands, which means that they're out there today purchasing. And perhaps wherever you're reporting from, you're going to be telling our viewers just that, Sameer?
Absolutely, Nivedna. Good evening, and you mentioned absolutely right that yes, I'm in Lajpat Nagar, quite a busy marketplace in central Delhi, and as you can see, each and every shop over here, they are colorful and all packed with the customers. Customers, they are looking to buy various products ranging from the shoes to clothing and even to dry fruits. Not just this, we have seen in the day that there was a good number of footfall at the electronic stores as well. People are looking to buy large size TV, the refrigerators and several other kitchen appliances. But when it comes to take the benefit of the GST rate rationalization, we have seen it is there in the auto space, in the electronic space, but yes, one more space is the dry fruit market that you see over here. Over here also you can see that there is a significant number of people who are coming up, and over here I'm joined by some young students, those who are here. First question on the GST part, the rate rationalization, I'm sure you might be looking to take some advantage as well.
Yes, but currently I'm here also for market research only.
Okay,
it's a college assignment, so we are here to research about the dry fruit market and health.
And what sort of impact that you want to, the feedback that you want to take in?
We wanted to know about the customer profile, what kind of customers are currently coming to buy, whether they are seasonal, what kind of profile they have, whether they look for alternatives in the e-commerce site or they buy from offline.
Okay.
How do they verify the quality, what standards they look for.
Okay, so that's a very good opportunity as well for the students, for the young students, to they can get the real ground feedback that how the market is taking shape. In addition to this, I'll talk to some of the other customers. Ma'am, good evening. सबसे पहले यही कि ड्राई फ्रूट्स आप जो परचेज करिए, अभी जीएसटी घटा है ड्राई फ्रूट्स पे, आई एम श्योर कि आप उसका फायदा लेने के लिए जरूर यहाँ पर है। जी बताइए क्या क्या ले रहे हो?
इस पे तो नहीं आए, हम तो वैसे नॉर्मली सिंधी से ही लेते हैं। और
ओके, दिवाली गिफ्टिंग
के लिए।
ओके, लेकिन मौका भी सही है।
हाँ, मौका भी सही है।
लेकिन सर, आप चूंकि यहाँ पर ओनर हैं और आपसे समझना चाहेंगे कि रेट रैशनलाइजेशन, जो रेट कम हुआ है, उसके थोड़ा से फायदे बताइए, और यहाँ पे जो लोग मौजूद हैं वो इसका किस तरीके से एडवांटेज या फायदा ले सकते हैं।
दोनों के लिए विन विन सिचुएशन है। कस्टमर्स को भी रेट सस्ते मिलेंगे और हमारे को भी बिलिंग प्रॉपर आएगी, तो इट्स एन विन विन सिचुएशन इन बोथ ऑफ अस।
इफ यू कैन जस्ट टेल अस दैट we are talking at the start of this Navratri and the festival, whatever that will come up, and it also provides an opportunity that they can stock, they can purchase, seeking the festivals quite in advance. Even wedding season, it is about to start. How overall analysis that you want to put up?
It's a start of season. Everyone stocks at this time only because winter starts from this phase only. So it's eventually this is the best time wherein we can stock our stuff, wherein we can put more and more in our refrigerators. That's the best time of the year. Yeah.
Okay. And the same that you can see as well, because the customers, they are coming up in good number. The GST rates on the dry fruit, it has been slashed from 12% to just 5%, and people are buying it for various purposes. In addition to this, let's talk to some other people as well. आप जो ड्राई फ्रूट परचेज कर रही हैं, क्या विशेष पर्पस के लिए, और अभी क्योंकि जीएसटी भी घटा है 12 से 5%, क्या कहना चाहिए?
इससे बेनिफिट ही होगा पब्लिक को। जब 5% हुआ है 12 से, तो पब्लिक को बेनिफिट ही होना है।
ओके
जी,
और ये बचत आप जरूर इसका फायदा उठाएं।
जी। अब छोटी परचेज में क्या होगा, तो बड़ी परचेज आदमी क्वांटिटी में हो तो फायदा होगा, बेनिफिट होगा।
तो आप बड़ी परचेज को देख रहे हैं?
नहीं देखना चाहिए, तो जो बड़ी करेगा उसके लिए बेनिफिट होगा। छोटी में क्या होगा, 10-20 रुपए में क्या बचत होगी।
बिल्कुल। And that's the reason now people are looking to buy more, because they understand that the more they buy, they can save a bit more. Not just at the dry fruit store, there are multiple other stores as well. If you see the clothing store and even the shoes, over in shoe segment as well, the rate has been slashed to 5%. So that sort of advantage the customers are looking to take from the market, and they are coming up in good numbers in the retail market, at the organized stores as well. Back to Vedna.
Right, Samir, you pointed out about the fact that people are taking advantage. I'm hoping that once you're done with your assignment, you'll also be taking advantage of the same and packing a little something for me as well. But thank you very much for joining us. Given that particular aspect, like you rightly said, it's not just one particular store or one sector. You're looking at this kind of festivity with that policy push come in. So let's talk about the fact that apparel is no different. And let's change the flavor a little bit. From the national capital, let's go to the south. Let's go to Chennai to find out what is that looking like in terms of apparel, because Jude Sanit, my colleague, has had the opportunity to break that down for us. Take a look.
Now, it's been a long, hard day of crunching GST numbers, and to treat myself, I'm taking some time off for retail therapy. And what better way to kickstart the festive season by buying a bunch of new clothes. Now, I'm a Chennai-based apparel brand, Basics Life, that is rolling out the advantages of a reduced GST rate on apparel to all customers by way of a discount itself. Let's quickly take you through what the new GST rate says. Any garment or apparel priced below 2,500 rupees will now come to you at a GST rate of just 5% from the previous 12%. So this pretty much means I'm buying some shirts, some denims, even as I look to shore up my shopping list and make good on that retail therapy that I've decided to take myself out to. Now, what's also interesting is that a number of apparel players, including Basics Life and many others, have decided to roll out the entire benefit of this reduced GST rate to customers. Effectively, what we're looking at is a slew of discounts. Anything priced below around 2,500 to 2,600 rupees will, of course, be available for, let's say, a 6 to 7% discount from 12% to 5%. And that's pretty much what this notice here at the store also says. A discount of 6.25% will be applicable on purchases of merchandise below an MRP of 2,620 rupees. But what's also interesting is that anything priced above this will also be brought down to pretty much the same rate, so as to ensure that all customers make full use of that standard GST rate of 5% applicable to all merchandise around 2,500 rupees. So the perfect excuse then to shore up on your shopping list, shop for the festive season, and ensure that you pretty much look your best, because that's how the new GST regime is all set to positively impact consumption as far as the apparel sector goes.
Right, Jude, thank you for telling us, the fact that you had the opportunity to buy new clothes. And in fact, when all of us have been reporting through the day, we've had the opportunity to not really show you about just the policy push, but also about how this is an opportunity for people to be buying, considering it's the festivity that's kick-started. It is day one of Navratri. But let me also tell you one thing. Given the fact that everybody is putting their best foot forward and, telling us about what this is looking like, it also calls for a little break, right? And wellness is one of those sectors which has also got a massive push, considering the rate rationalization has happened. Now, I have not had the opportunity to take a break, but Anjali, my colleague, reported from Mumbai, in fact Colaba to be specific. What is that looking like? Time to take a look.
Well, the next gen GST reforms kick in from today, and medicines are going to see a big cut in prices, with the GST slabs coming down from the earlier 12 to 18% down to most of the medicines now being taxed at 5%. Now, this is going to give a major boost to the sales of medicines. We are currently in a Wellness Forever store in Colaba, where what we're hearing is that many customers who had put on hold the purchases for long-term medications and also very expensive medications such as diabetic patients, they have started to place their orders for the diagnostic kits, the one that have seen a slash in GST from 12% earlier down to 5% now, and that has led to a major change in the prices. Other than that, most other generic medicines also have been moved from 12-18% slabs down to 5%, and that is leading to more demand coming in for these medicines. It's a rainy day here in Mumbai, which is why we might not be seeing as many footfalls in the stores, but the online orders, the delivery orders is where the stores are seeing good momentum in terms of orders, and this has to be attributed to the cut in the GST rates, and the sales of medicines is expected to see a major boost from here on.
Right, Anjali, thank you very much for joining us with that. Now, let's just quickly do a recap, right? We saw what the dry food segment was looking like. We saw that my colleague Jude had the opportunity to buy clothes. But what is festivities without sweets? I don't know about you guys, but surely that's one thing that I definitely look forward to. But while we put that into context, let's find out what is the mood like in Sri Ganesh Sweet Shop as far as Borivali in Mumbai is concerned. Anurag Shah, my colleague, not only had the opportunity to kind of see what the mood check is like, but more importantly, with that GST rate rationalization, and remember, for a business perspective, you're also looking at how the complexity of the bill has now been simplified. So take a look at this report.
There is a festive bonanza for items like namkeen, cheese, butter, ghee. So presently I am in Borivali in Sri Ganesh Sri Mithai and Farshan shop, and all the items you can see there is a reduction of GST starting from cheese, butter, namkeen. The packet of namkeen also, which used to attract the 12% GST, will now have a GST of 5% only. There's a pizza bread used to have 5%. Now there will be nil GST. So I'm joined by the owner of the shop. Sir, how big is the relief on all these items?
There in chocolate 18%, now 5% only.
Okay.
And cookies, pizza 5% only.
Okay.
And if anyone हाउसवाइफ,
तो आपके मुताबिक है ना कितना बचत होगी इन सब पे?
एक हाउसवाइफ जो मिनिमम मिडिल क्लास है वो 12 to 15,000 का अगर लेती है मंथली, तो 1,000 रुपीज का उसका होगा, तो ईयरली 12,000 का होगा, मतलब एक महीने का उसको ऑटोमेटिकली गिफ्ट हो जाएगा वो.
ओके. तो चॉकलेट पे पहले क्या जीएसटी रेट था?
18% था चॉकलेट पे. हाँ. और अब वो हो गया है 5%.
5% हो गया. और ये पिज्जा
बेस पे 12% था जो जीरो हो गया है.
जीरो हो गया
बिल्कुल.
और ये क्या चीज है?
ये खाकरा है जो हर घर में जाता है, जो 5% था वो भी जीरो हो गया है.
अच्छा, तो ये खाकरा भी जीरो जीएसटी हो गया है. और ये
कुकीज है जो वो 18% था वो 5% हो गया है.
कुकीज पे भी 18 से 5% हो गया है. और ये आपने बताया
ब्रांडेड जो नमकीन था वो 12% था वो 5% हो गया है.
12. और कुछ नमकीन पे 18% भी था?
नहीं, नमकीन में नहीं था 18%. 12% था ब्रांडेड का जो 5%.
तो अब हर तरह की जो नमकीन है उस पे
5% हो गया.
5% हो गया. इसके अलावा और कौन कौन सी नमकीन पे रेट चेंज हुआ है?
नमकीन पे नहीं हुआ है, बाद में बेकरी प्रोडक्ट पे हुआ है. जो अपना खारी पफ जो बोलते हैं वो भी 18 था वो 5% हो गया है.
ओके. सो ऑल द bakery products are also not now cheaper. GST is 5%, but on the pizza bread there is no GST. On khakra there is no GST. So at least 1,000 rupees per month saving for middle class family, and yearly saving is up to at least 12,000 rupees. So that's a ground reality after the reduction of GST on food items like namkeen, khakra, pizza bread, cheese and butter.
Right, Anurag. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. So one thing is sure, there is a lot of savings that the common man is able to do with this particular policy push. But let's also talk about mall shopping, right? And with the fact that we have looked at several other sectors, but what is shopping in a mall looking like? How interesting is it? It's festivity time. There is a policy push. And more importantly, can you really shop till you drop? Well, my colleague Sumita Karir had the opportunity to do that in DLF Mall, Noida. Let's take a look.
In fact, customers are still coming in. This is comparatively early in the day for consumers, but we are expecting more footfalls. And as far as shopping is concerned, well, this is going to be my next purchase. I'll keep it at the counter just for a short while now. But let me just give you a sense of what's really happening as far as apparel stores are concerned, especially the independent ones, independent labels, where I'm standing. In fact, I'm standing at one of these independent labels. So all of these categories, all of these items have been placed at flat 50%. off. In fact, 50% off is essentially what this shop is offering. There are several others also. They have put out the GST rate change in terms of, cards and placards, which are very prominently have been displayed on store for consumers to sort of get an understanding of the kind of reduction that they're going to be seen as far as the apparel category is concerned. Now, if you look at the apparel category, there are two slabs. Number one, that items which are below 2,500 rupees will be priced at 5%. And items which are priced upwards of 2,500 rupees will be charged at 18%. So we'll come to the 5% one in just a bit, but we spoke to several retail chains here, several independent labels, and they essentially were of the opinion that they're not going to pass on the burden of increased GST onto consumers, this at least till the time the festive season is on. So for at least for the next 2-3 months, they're not going to be raising the prices. They're going to be absorbing the prices so that they can cash in the festive demand that is currently being seen. In terms of items that are priced below 2,500 rupees, which attract a GST of 5%, there are emailers which have been sent by these companies. They are also sort of making sure that consumers are sent reminders as far as their store messages are concerned. So that's essentially largely the exercise that's currently being undertaken as far as apparel sector is concerned. Some are ready to pass on the benefits to consumers on top of the decreased GST percentage of 5%. So for example, this store, like I was talking about, it has a 50% discount on top of the lower GST. In the categories that are upwards of 2,500 rupees, well, they will also be sort of absorbing the cost, at least for now.
This reform is not just on rationalizing rates. It's also on structural reforms. It's also on ease of living. Common man items such as hair oil, toilet soap, bars, shampoos, toothbrushes, toothpaste, bicycles, tableware, kitchenware and other household articles have all come to 5.
अगर हम इनकम टैक्स में छूट और जीएसटी में छूट को जोड़ दें तो एक साल में जो निर्णय हुए हैं उससे देश के लोगों को 2.5 लाख करोड़ रुपए से ज्यादा की बचत होगी।
Also had an opportunity to be interacting with shopkeepers. In fact, she was in the national capital in Lakshmi Nagar to be looking at what the ground reality of this implementation is looking like. In fact, in the visual, she's seen interacting with them as well to understand how the Bachat Utsav for the GST rate rationalization is happening. More importantly, we know when this policy push was announced, there was so much of excitement in terms of how that is going to pan out. But when you talk about a policy push, you also want to look at how implementation on ground reality, is that something that consumers are able to get? And that's essentially what the finance minister was able to do, while of course talking to shopkeepers in the national capital to really get perspective as far as that is concerned. But those are the visuals that we are showing for you as far as she was there. In fact, she also wanted to find out how this is really for customers with that GST rate rationalization. In fact, she also thanked them for their feedback. Let's also put into perspective that the finance minister encouraged everyone to buy and sell made in India Swadeshi products. Very important messaging, considering the fact that Prime Minister Modi also, when he had the opportunity to again address the country yesterday, put that into perspective, that ultimately it is that particular posturing that they want to look at. And of course, earlier today, the Prime Minister also interacted with traders and entrepreneurs in Itanagar as GST rates have come into effect today. So we're not just talking about what the Finance Minister here had an opportunity to do so, because one thing that we have to remember with this policy push is that the complexity of this, which was spoken about, and that's why it's very important in terms of when she had this opportunity to be in conversation with them, she was talking about that earlier feedback that came in, and then of course we saw how the government managed to give this particular opportunity, this bonanza, if many call it Diwali before Diwali, and rightly so, because now what we see in large numbers, and which we've been able to show you in the show today as well, whether it's the north, the south, the east or the west, it is the fact that the consumers have had the opportunity to just do this on day one. So it is a longer story to be unfolding. But let's also quickly move on to the fact that Prime Minister Modi was in Itanagar, and in fact he was also seen there overseeing the rollout of GST 2.0. But the Prime Minister had the opportunity to be speaking about the same. But what exactly did Prime Minister Modi say? Let's listen it.
हमारे देश के गरीब, मध्यम वर्गीय लोग, न्यू मिडिल क्लास, युवा, किसान, महिलाएं, दुकानदार, व्यापारी, उद्यमी, त्योहारों के इस मौसम में सबका मुंह मीठा होगा। ये रिफॉर्म भारत की ग्रोथ स्टोरी को एक्सेलरेट करेंगे, कारोबार को और आसान बनाएंगे, निवेश को और आकर्षक बनाएंगे और हर राज्य को विकास की दौड़ में बराबरी का साथी बनाएंगे।
कॉफी के लिए बेंगलुरु में अगर 100 रुपए का कॉफी है तो 20 रुपए टैक्स देना पड़ता था। आज से वो 20 रुपए चले गए। देयर इज नो 20 रुपए, देयर इज नो 20 रुपीज टैक्स। मैं दक्षिण भारत से आता हूं, मैं डोसा खाता हूं तो मुझे 20% देना पड़ता था। 100 रुपए का डोसा है तो 20 रुपए का टैक्स था, वो जीरो हो गया है। ऑल इंडियन ब्रेड्स आर जीरो। मेजॉरिटी ऑफ फूड आइटम्स आइदर जीरो और 5%। तो yesterday कर्नाटका मिल्क फेडरेशन हैज गिवन एडवर्टाइजमेंट 40 रुपीज, उनका जो घी का है वो 40 रुपीज कम हुआ है। दिस इज द बिगेस्ट एवर गिफ्ट टू द पीपल ऑफ दिस कंट्री बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री मोदी। आफ्टर टेकिंग ओवर एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, मेनी रिफॉर्म्स अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर इट इज डन। आई कैन से द रिफॉर्म, रियली द रिफॉर्म्स बिगैन ओनली आफ्टर मोदी टुक ओवर। आई थिंक ये सब रिफॉर्म का अगर इसके बाप कोई है तो ये जीएसटी।
लेकिन इसको हाउ डू मॉनिटर दिस? हाउ डू मॉनिटर द?
वी आर मॉनिटरिंग। वी हैव एस्टैब्लिश्ड a helpline and in the consumer affairs department also where the consumer related items are there. अगर उधर कोई इसका लाभ गरीबों को पहुंचा नहीं रहे तो हम इसका मॉनिटर जरूर करेंगे।
ET now have put into perspective how just the day one of GST rate rationalization has happened. We continue to put that into perspective, but for the moment, that's all that I have for you in this edition of News Now. Thank you very much for joining me this evening.